Have you ever wondered what makes a crispy potato chip so irresistible? Join us as we uncover the secrets behind the magical journey from tiny seeds to vast green potato fields. In just 90 days, potato plants grow tall under the sun in gentle breezes, waiting for the perfect moment to be harvested. From advanced machinery in the fields to the bustling processing plants, follow each step of this process, where potatoes go from the farm to become the delicious snacks on your table. Discover it all with us. Timing is key. In the U.S., the potato planting season typically begins from late March to early April, when the soil reaches a temperature of around 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 to 10 degrees Celsius. Potatoes require about 90 to 120 days to fully mature, depending on the variety and weather conditions. Potato planting techniques are crucial for ensuring high yields. Farmers typically use the hole or trench method, where potatoes are placed in rows about 30 inches, 75 centimeters apart, and seed potatoes are buried around 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters deep. Using organic fertilizers and regular watering helps the plants grow strong, achieving an average yield of 20 to 40 tons per hectare. Environmental factors also play a significant role in the planting process. Potatoes thrive in loose soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5, allowing plants to easily absorb nutrients. Ideal weather includes cool temperatures during the day and even cooler nights, providing optimal conditions for tuber development. One of the key factors determining potato growth is an efficient irrigation system. Water is essential for the plant's life, and proper watering helps ensure high yields. Timing of irrigation is crucial. Farmers typically water once a week, providing around 1 to 2 inches, 25 to 50 millimeters of water, especially increasing it during flowering and tuber development stages. In hot weather, plants may need extra water to stay hydrated. Relevant factors include soil drainage and the type of irrigation system. Loose, organic-rich soil helps retain moisture better. Sprinkler or drip irrigation systems are often preferred as they provide even water distribution and conserve water effectively. Proper care through an effective irrigation system helps potato plants thrive, ensuring quality tubers for a promising harvest. When harvest season arrives, the potato fields shine with a golden hue as modern harvesting machines stand ready for a precise and efficient process. Harvest typically occurs from mid-July to September, when tubers reach the ideal size of 70 to 150 grams, and their skins have hardened, ensuring a bountiful crop. Modern potato harvesters can harvest around 2.5 hectares per hour. Equipped with advanced technology, these machines can process approximately 30 tons of potatoes each hour, allowing farmers to save significant time and effort. On average, each hectare of potato farmland yields between 20 to 40 tons. This means that from a 10-hectare potato farm, farmers can harvest between 200 to 400 tons of potatoes per season. During the harvest process, the machine doesn't just dig up the tubers, it also sorts them on the spot. Approximately 90% of harvested potatoes are graded by size and quality, enhancing their market value. This is crucial because high-quality potatoes can command up to 50% higher prices compared to lower quality ones. During harvest, farmers need to monitor soil moisture and weather conditions. Harvesting on dry days not only helps protect tuber quality, but also ensures easier transport and post-harvest storage. In fact, harvesting at the ideal time can increase yield by up to 15% compared to other times. Potato harvesters not only optimize the production process, but also showcase the advancements in agriculture, contributing to the supply of the highest quality potatoes to the market. Behind each potato lies a journey of care and tireless effort by farmers, from planting seeds to harvesting and delivering them to consumers. After harvesting, the fresh potatoes begin their exciting journey at the processing plant, where they are transformed into the crispy chips that everyone loves. Trucks carrying about 8 to 12 tons of potatoes arrive at the plant, where experts conduct quality checks. This stage is crucial as around 5% of the potatoes may be discarded for not meeting the standards for size or freshness. Next, the potatoes are thoroughly washed using an automated system to remove dirt and impurities. This process not only makes the potatoes clean, but also ensures that the following steps take place under the best hygienic conditions. After washing, the potatoes are peeled. About 90% of the potato is retained, ensuring that the nutrients in the tuber are not lost. The next stage is cutting the potatoes into uniform slices, typically 6 to 12 millimeters thick. This thickness not only ensures crispiness, but also helps the slices cook evenly during the frying process. After slicing, the potatoes are soaked in water to reduce their starch content. This step helps the fries achieve a crispier texture and more appealing color. A bit of salt can also be added to the soaking water to enhance the flavor. The drying process is the most crucial step. The potatoes are dried in hot air at a temperature of 180 to 190 degrees Celsius, 356 to 374 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, around 70% of the moisture is removed, giving the potatoes a light, crisp texture and preserving their natural flavor. Food experts carefully monitor the time and temperature to ensure the potatoes do not become too brittle and maintain a pleasant color. Finally, the dried potatoes are packaged using automated technology to keep them fresh and flavorful for longer. Each hour, a plant can produce up to 10 tons of pre-processed potato products, meeting market demand and providing consumers with a convenient, high-quality option for preparing their own potato dishes at home. With each potato chip, you're not only enjoying a delicious snack, but also experiencing the meticulous journey from field to table. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to motivate us to create more exciting content.